I might gotta find a different way home. Go for it. Do it. Yeah. Oh man. I'm not going through that with my car.
Hell no, you're not. You can't make me do that.
Well, look at that. That little Saturn got through there.
I can make it through in my truck.